How are you? Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you may.
Why are you here today?
I'm here to support the rally about the protection of children, to prevent the premature sexualisation of them in schools through the relationships and sex education programs.
Okay. And how do you feel about transgenders teaching little 3, 4, 5-year-old children?
Well, I would just call that grooming.
Is it grooming? I believe it is.
Well, I think it's pushing back boundaries for children before they even really realise what modesty is or what a girl or a boy is, and so it's a way of manipulating their minds really, and troubling them when really they just want to play.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
I'll just say I represent Schoolgate campaign. We're a leaflet campaign which just gives the salient points about what's happening here, so anyone can get that from the website. Also, if parents want to, we have the RSC toolkit for parents, which has lots of resources as well to help.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for your time, madam. Right, God bless. Can I give